In this project, we'll create an interactive LED brightness control system using hand gestures and a webcam, combining Python's OpenCV and MediaPipe libraries for real-time hand tracking with an Arduino controlling the LED brightness via PWM. We start by setting up our hardware, an Arduino board, an LED or a strip of LEDs connected to a PWM pin through a resistor and a USB connection to the PC. Then we install Python, OpenCV, and MediaPipe, and establish serial communication between Python and Arduino. The code captures video from the webcam, detects the position of your index finger, and uses that movement to control a virtual slider drawn on the screen, which maps directly to the LED brightness value sent over serial. We will fine-tune the slider so it updates smoothly when your finger moves inside the slider area and continues sending the last value even when your hand leaves, ensuring stable control. Throughout the tutorial, we'll cover how MediaPipe's landmark detection works, how to map coordinates to brightness values, how to draw custom UI elements like sliders in OpenCV, and how to handle serial communication efficiently. By the end, you'll have a fully functional, contactless LED dimmer that looks professional and is incredibly responsive, plus the knowledge to adapt it for other gesture-controlled devices like fans, motors, or even smart home appliances.